Probably my favorite implementation case study of Storyblok is with Tesla. I think everybody at this stage knows who Tesla are. Tesla are using Storyblok. They had a challenge where they needed a scalable solution for their in-store kiosks. So anybody who's ever gone to maybe a car showroom, or Tesla obviously have a different take on that. You might recall an experience where there's an in-store kiosk where you can ultimately look at the different models of Tesla that are available. You can kind of customize the car that you'd like to buy. And all of that is done in a kind of a large tablet format in store. Storyblok was implemented as the solution to manage all of the content for those kiosks and different complications around data sources for configurations to give pricing back to the user in real time. So that was a really interesting implementation of Storyblok, not just on your more traditional website. And being able to deliver good results there, like real content updates. We obviously support multilingual there, was a big thing for Tesla. And ultimately giving a really good user experience in store. I think that's an interesting edge case of Storyblok outside of the traditional website with a very well-known brand.